Good so now. Full time and the issue has been settled.
Hello, good night.
Yeah, I'm talk to Keisha there.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm talk to Keisha there.
You want to talk to who?
Yo, sorry, me G, like I the wrong number this.
No, a Keisha phone, man, but I a Keisha, this a Chris.
Oh, what about my G? Thing good? Why pray?
You know me there, I'm gonna split and scroll through the IG. Chill me there, chill like ice cube in a iced tea. But I who this, and you know pop up on the caller ID.
The girl them sugar cane, man, the girl them nutty body.
Me don't know who that.
Govy.
Bombard, what go on me DJ? You know me rate the life for the PMP, them real PJ. Man, the girl say, I sing the girl song them the real way.
Yeah.
See a girl clone, me listen that for about 3 days.
Big up yourself, man, Chris, you know, a mad thing.
Yeah.
And that's for the boy, I eat that the girl thing. Millions of dollars then spent on girl ring.
True.
And then come out the road and come on them girl chain. See all Keisha, say she have a man a foreign.
Wait.
Regular me fuck it and come on the foreign.
What?
Cock it up all in at the parking lot of Carib. You couldn't believe what you tell me, say she married. So yo, Keisha brother.
No, me Jenna.
Yo, Keisha cousin.
No, the foreign me live, me just land.
What you mean?
Me a Keisha husband.
Blood clot.
Yo, I saw the thing set dog. If a soft girl treat you like insect dog, and every girl catch me interest, and then Jezebel can't get the ring set dog. Look how much money you go invest, and another man I take off the pink dress dog. Yo, I saw the thing set dog. Soft girl treat you like insect.
Dog, look how me just I say me love me life. I me make my family live some lovely life. They forget a call like this in the morning. I find out the artist and me rate a fuck my wife.
Chris, nobody kill herself, dog, not touch the knife. She just give me a one fuck, and she say she love my voice. So just think about it, don't be dumb, be wise. The Bible says when you have a problem, if you just turn to Christ, so just pray about it.
Pray about it, tomorrow I gonna hear about it. Me I go all red and tear out it.
No.
I happen after that, me not care about it.
Then Chris, when I do that, what gonna happen to the kids them? Dog, remember say it's all about the children. Chris, just listen me, brother. Yeah, you can go and fuck it together.
What?
You have to just know, sir.
I saw the thing set dog. If a soft girl treat you like insect dog, and every girl catch me interest, and then Jezebel can't get the ring set dog. Look how much money you go invest, and another man I take off the pink dress dog. Yo, I saw the thing set dog. Soft girl treat you like insect.
Hey boy, Chris, I shouldn't answer the girl phone in a boop in your head, you know. One of moose and lightning in your mouth, you know. Almighty, lead on the strike force.
Yo, for your sake, what that you do, man? I encourage you, man, and tell him man no violence against woman. Chris, you're a Christian.
No, me a Muslim.
Me not gonna tell her read the Bible, but I go read the Quran.
Respect DJ, by the way, me love the album.
Man.
Me love Impossible, you know. Me pull it up every time the song done.
Big song.
Never question for you, know. Me know it kinda random. But when you da fuck Keisha, you da wear a condom.
What kind of question that, Chris?
I true, the question they shake it. So me can't believe it's a strike force and me mate it.
Can't call bad man, mate, that's all late.
Cool the DJ, man, you know me mate.
Chris, for real, you know. You're real G.
Oh.
Sorry for fuck your wife today, you see, pray.
At least that, man. Big up yourself, girl, is boss.
You know, more invite you one thing named Galley's class.
Yeah, alright. I check my schedule and get back to you. Hold on, one Keisha says she want chat to you.
Walk one Keisha with the flat toe mark.
Here to go, funny, you chat too much.
You know, the general call me up.
So sorry.
But you know, those video call me, let me see man and top nice.
You sure?
You have ambition, I rate that. Just video call me. Yo, go! Yo, you whatever. Yeah, baby general! Yeah, that! Yo! Yo, we can't link up.
Tired all Instagram and Twitter, you know, brother. People are calling like some biggie that people not turn of them yard. Joke thing.
Almighty, your next phone I ring, you know.
How would that a call?
Rasclat! Wicked man, Chris. Walk one, brother.
There you in the Jenna. Reach back a New York in the devil weather.
Yeah.
Y'all them feel up, it's the Jenna there.
Yo, easy the Chris. Mad thing as usual.
Yeah.
Dropping at the place and rise up a new girl.
Yeah, I mean new girls. Plural, no me no worry about Keisha them a loose girl. I find a girl who hotter.
Oh, you say she proper?
Sexy and fatter.
So you deal with it, my shatter?
Cool, like off, you know the girl them love chopper.
Yeah.
Guess who?
Who that?
Keisha friend Tasha.
Alright, Tasha with the broad ties. eye.
Yeah man, a yellow butterfly with Cassie eye. You know her?
Yeah man, me know her, but me don't know her so good.
Yeah.
Me know she born for so good.
Real thing.
Her tongue bore and she wear braces and have a little red fan, but the tire them no good.
No man, me buy her a markets, but the press. Be a 10 grand US, me send her, nothing less. She a virgin, so you know the summer bless.
Virgin?
Yeah man, and me first touch your breast. Oh, you know she so good.
Just a lucky guess. Little advice though, don't suck your breast.
Alright DJ, me go take your advice.
Chris, remember them gyal are wicked and lie.
The one that different man, me really just
hey. Suppose me tell you son, me did fuck up. You know what? Fuck that, me don't chat. Last time me tell about Keisha, them say me love chat.
When the girl them give you some, don't tell. Don't tell nobody about the hotel. Don't show nobody what you buy for her. Don't tell nobody where the rose sell. All when they catch her tongue in me ears, me I tell them me no fuck it, me I bring it to the grave. See me pan video, I work it like slave. Me I tell you how no me I bring it to the grave.
Almighty, Wagwan.
No Chris again.
Chris again. This again.
Yo the man miss again.
Open I made send for fire stick again.
You remember the girl Keisha bring for my fuck?
Which one of them, the slimmers?
No man, the thicker friend.
Yo, me just up on the gram and run through a picture them.
Then a Chris a wife it up.
How this happen?
Movements, me don't even know dog. Big drama. Feel me I go tell him though when the thing calmer.
You mad remember when they tell him about Keisha? And the whole world around killer say you're informer.
Be about a years girl, the man choose so far.
Him still up on the phone?
Yeah man, but mute the car.
They can't mute, you try style man, but the thing feel.
Oh no, you me attack Chris.
Then I who?
Chris Gale.
When the girl them give you some, don't tell. Don't tell nobody about the hotel. Don't show nobody what you buy for her. Don't tell nobody where the rose sell. All when they catch her tongue in me ears, me I tell them me no fuck it, me I bring it to the grave. See me pan video, I work it like slave. Me I tell you how no me I bring it to the grave.
Joe man DJ. Real. DJ, wait, I forgot to ask it, yo. You remember the girls class thing? Yes! Can't watch it, me have two dogs from England. We are go through the same thing. Yeah, man, me have a friend. We have a friend and girl like getting born with a friend. And even, not even say 40. Kuya!
Yeah, man. Yeah. Ah, man, that's not hold my family, yeah? My G. Oh, I'm going flat to mug.
Babe, Tasha is coming over later. What do you think?
You see, you're gallus, you're born as a gallus, you grow as a gallus, you live as a gallus. Deadly. Kuya! Did you get any mask covered, man? You know, I see your boss.
Yo, but one for you thing, huh?
Oh, baby.
Call me Zad. Yo, the phone just a ring, so man. Oh, this a call. Oh, a strike force? I'ma call him back there. Yo, we just a see your missed call.
So one call they say,
No man, about 6 calls. Never hear the phone like it a rings off. Just born a married woman and a rinse off.
oh, cause you know me just a say you switch that.
You mad?
Can't hear from my brother Chris dog.
Oh, I'm to your DJ, you know the link tag.
True.
Just the busy say your teeth in stamp and pink wall.
Pink one, mix up dog, you a think smart.
But I aim they do it first, Professor no sabling dog. Me see it in on me artists like the more you think star, more you lost them like a turbo you install.
Yo, look at that now Chris dog, next topic.
Alright, sexy girl and big breast topic.
Yeah, last night me rescue Keisha on my Benz bonnet.
You think I look a bit a girl, me fuck and make vomit?
Chris my brother.
No other. Dog, you know Keisha tell me say you fuck Tasha. Your wife and next girl, me can't bother. Just a go and fuck some boy wife and baby mother.
But a good thing say me not them and get fi know you.
Real thing.
Alright, so all of them thing I couldn't show you.
You know save me from the Yamid girl, them dog, me who are you?
Easy no Chris my G, them the gal is like we.
No.
Fuck them girls for your Nike, not for we are Louis V, dog, just a white tape. Me no like girl who wear big jaws and granny nighty. Girl confused when a girl can't choose. Me she link after your body pants and shows. Girl confused when a girl can't choose. On the phone where you buy make a girl uploads.
Dog, in a girl's class, me see you get straight here. Yo, star man, yo, sell me a crave near.
DJ, this is a motherfucker like a AK. 3 best friend, me fucking at the same day.
I say you deal with it, dog. You not play fear.
Play fear, girl have to pay for me playing fear.
Hold on there, Chris. Yo, give me a pack of straight here. Pass me a buckle of the thing when name near.
How you done me artist?
You know how to even deal?
I do what?
Yo, me just drop my son a daycare. And them have a local hair store near. So my wife beg me stop and get a pack of hair there.
What? So DJ, you do have wife?
So me not have life.
I'm full
full of so much girl, dog.
You have to have choice.
Christopher Tough John.
Who that?
Hold on there, DJ. The married man. Hold on there, you heard?
Alright, my G. Yo.
Fuck them girls for your Nike, not for wear Louis V, dog, just a white hair. Me not like girl no wear big jaws and granny nighty. Girl confused when a girl can't choose. Me she link after you buy the pants and shoes. Girl confused when a girl can't choose. On the phone when you buy make a girl uploads.
Wicked man, Chris in the city again. Squeeze up a boy, girl, tiddy again.
I say I deal with the road, wicked my friend.
Yeah, them girl are wicked, me not a pretty for them.
Boy, Chris, boop in their head still.
Oh, that fire quick.
I know fire quick, my youth, a fire stick.
Oh, so you want the movement?
My day, man, I travel with the thing for movement.
Blood clot, me never know the man them in the car. DJ, you couldn't tell me see and the killer them apart.
You know the dog them have to active anytime I touch the tire.
Strike force, me rate the man them in a style.
And I see him where we rate you.
Judge.
That's why you say we call you and I heal you.
Respect DJ, no lie, me love that.
Up.
Rate you as a family in a dog, no rum chat. Me I go shout back later though so we can done chat.
Yeah.
Me I get ready before the girl husband come back.
You free of the boy? Cock up him wife and fuck that. For boy over this, my friend Chris a gunshot.
DJ.
Please check to ensure that you have enough credit to make this call. If you...
Hey! Babe!
Yes?
Come here, car is car real.
One more.
We get one dream there, say. Come on.
What? Can I come like you, a madman, you know?
Which madman?
With what?
My dream say I'm going there.
What?
Tasha, you are giving... You are him and you...
Wait.
Tasha.
My friend Tasha?
Tasha. Man, some can't deal, dog. Laugh, and I wait me, I'll go on class.
Alright. Wait go.
So it's like, me and this